Hello guys, welcome back to the simple Snip code. So in this video we will install MongoDB Shell and MongoDB Compass in Ubuntu OS. So simple open terminal and write command sudo apt-get update. To install Mongo Shell, write command sudo apt-get install MongoDB. Here MongoDB Shell is installed. So simple write Mongo and Mongo Shell version is run. To install MongoDB Compass, search on Google MongoDB Compass in Ubuntu. Click on download MongoDB Compass. Click on download Compass. Choose the platform to Ubuntu. Click on downloads. After that, click on show folder. Cut it from here and paste into this file into documents software folder. And right click on this interface. Click on open terminal. To install, write command sudo dpkg-i and file name, that is MongoDB Compass, and here installation is completed. So click on all apps, search MongoDB Compass, click on it. Here MongoDB Compass is on. Click on fill in connection and click on connect. A connection is established. So that's it for the video guys. If you like the video, then definitely subscribe to my channel.